So let us breathe into a time of meditation. I invite you to close your eyes if you're comfortable and just take a few deep breaths. There's no right or wrong way to enter the silence. So we just allow ourselves in this time to engage our practice. And if you're new to the quiet, if you're new to a practice, new to meditation, just allow your mind to follow the breath in and out of the body. And then bring the attention to the heart as if the breath is moving in and out of the heart itself. And when your spirit feels the pull of love, the draw of the silence, the impulse of stillness from center to circumference, we lean into that. So we relax now. We allow ourselves to come home to the present moment. To bring our energy and attention from the future, from the past, from the human condition of thinking, thinking, and more thinking, feeling, feeling, and more feeling, right into the now. The moment that always is, the moment that has always been with you. We draw our attention inward. Inhaling and exhaling, we become still. So still. And we lean into that stillness. And as we close our eyes to the outer, we open our heart and our minds to the inner sanctuary. This space of respite, this space of renewal, this space of rising. This space that brings forth within us all the strength needed to be about our way in the world. That brings to us and through us the wisdom and the guidance for right action, right thinking, compassion, living oneness. We allow this practice to have the fullness of our attention and our intention in the sacred silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. In honor of the lives we've been given, the time and the form we give this life. Namaste.